Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp booking link to leads from IndiaMART. Let's suppose I am running a business and I am receiving many leads from IndiaMART. I want that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically a message should be sent with the link attached to that message. Doing this manually will consume a lot of time, so I've completely automated this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I am going to receive a new lead from IndiaMART, automatically a message will be sent with the help of AI Sensei, a link attached to that message. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp booking links to leads from IndiaMART. For this, I am going to create automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now, before we sign into a Pabbly account, let me take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join the Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on new features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this Create Workflow button. And here I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster, and more flexible one. And then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'll select this classic one, and now I need to give the workflow name. So here the name of my workflow is send WhatsApp booking link to leads from IndiaMART. And now I need to select my folder. Now these are the folders which have been created, and I'm going to select it as IndiaMART Automations and then click on Create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on Create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send booking link to leads from IndiaMART, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from IndiaMART, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from IndiaMART, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to receive a new lead and then action says do this, then send a WhatsApp message with a booking link in it. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking IndiaMART, and then in my action application, I will be taking AI Sensei. So here in my trigger application, let me quickly take IndiaMART. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. Reading this help desk, I'm going to build this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my IndiaMART. So this is my IndiaMART dashboard. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to click on this lead manager, from where I'm going to click on this three dots, click on this import export leads, and then go towards this push API. Under this push API integration, I have to select my source and enter my CRM platform name. I'm going to select the source as other, and then I'm going to enter the CRM platform name, which is Pabbly Connect, and then the webhook listener URL. So Pabbly Connect, and then I'm going to enter the webhook listener URL. This is the same webhook URL which I'm provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. I'm going to copy and paste that over here. Simply click on Save Details, and then select the reason that why I want to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. In this dropdown, I can find all the reasons. So I'm going to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage the performance. And then simply click on this click to generate OTP. Here, after entering the OTP, I simply need to click on the submit. And here we have successfully added this webhook URL which we were provided in Pabbly Connect workflow. And if I scroll down, you can see this waiting for the webhook response. And under this, it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I'm going to open my IndiaMART, and from here, I'm going to send the lead detail. Now if I open this test your webhook listener URL, here I have some details. Like the city is Noida, the sender name is IndiaMART. Then we have the rest of the details like the message query, the sender phone number, sender address, and the rest of the details. And this is a test lead detail which will be sent to me with the help of IndiaMART so as to check my webhook connection. So I'm going to send this test data from IndiaMART to my Pabbly Connect, and as soon as I click on this send test, you will see the test data will be sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow, and this is going to show us the connection setup that we have created with the help of this webhook URL that is successful. I'm simply going to click on this test, and here the webhook test returned. I have received the response. Let me quickly open my Pabbly Connect workflow and check whether I have received any detail there or not. And here I can see that I have received the response. The status is success. I have received the unique query ID. I have received the subject requirement of testing by IndiaMART. The state was Uttar Pradesh. The phone number were these. The sender name was IndiaMART. I have received the email address and the phone number. I have received the company name. The address is same. And the product name and the product query is also same. This means the connection setup that we have created between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from IndiaMART, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send the booking link with the help of WhatsApp message, and to send this WhatsApp message, I'm going to use AI Sensei. In my action application, I'm going to select it as AI Sensei. And then in my action event, I'm going to select it as send template message and then click on connect. Now, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I'm going to enter this API key. I'm going to open my AI Sensei account. So it is written, enter the API key from AI Sensei account. To obtain the API key, log into AI Sensei, navigate to manage section, then go towards API key and then click on generate API key. So I'm going to open my AI Sensei. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, so I'm going to click on this manage. And over here, you can see this option of API key. So this is my API key, which I'm going to copy and simply paste that over here. If you want to regenerate this key, you can simply click on the regenerate button and a new API key will be provided to you. Now I'm simply going to click on the save, and here AI Sensei is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to enter all these details. So first I need to enter this campaign name. So over here in my AI Sensei account, on the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm first going to click on this manage, and then we have to create a template, and then we have to create a campaign for that same template. Now here I've already created a template by the name IndiaMART follow-up. If I open this, hi demo, thanks for reaching out to us on IndiaMART. You can easily book or call or demo using this link. I have entered the link, and then let us know if you have any question. We are here to help, Team ABC. Here I have created this message with the booking link, and I have added a custom variable which will keep changing whenever I'm going to receive a new response with the name of that customer or the lead. So here I have created a campaign for this same template. Now first let's learn how to create a campaign. I've simply clicked on this new. I've selected my template category. I've selected my language. And then if you want to generate your template with the help of AI, you can write the prompt. I have entered the template name, the template type. If you want to enter the footer and the header, you can do that. I've entered the format, which means I've entered the link and the message and the custom variable in this format. And then I've simply clicked on this submit. If you want to add any interactive session in that template, you can do that. I've simply clicked on this submit. Just after a few seconds, my template was approved, and then I created a campaign for this. Now on the left hand side where I can see all these options, I've clicked on this template, and then I'm going to click on this launch and then go towards this API campaign. Now the name of my template was IndiaMART follow-up. So I've selected that, as my template, and then I've named my campaign same as that of my template. Simply click on the set live and my campaign was live just after a few minutes. Now here you can see this is the same template. So I've already created a template. I'm going to open that template only. So this is the campaign which I've created. You can see this is the same template which I've used while creating this campaign. So I'm going to copy this campaign name and simply paste that in my Pabbly Connect field. And then I need to enter the mobile number. Now over here, I'm not going to enter any of these details manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from IndiaMART, and when I click on this field, I can see this IndiaMART. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. I'm going to enter or map the phone number. So here, this is the dummy or the test detail which I have received, and I have mapped that for now over here to show you how we do this mapping. I'm going to enter the lead name. The lead name was IndiaMART. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this method mapping instead of manually entering the details. I have entered this phone number. So for now, I'm going to remove this phone number and enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message which I'm going to receive. These fields are not required one. I'll skip this. If you want to enter, you can enter following the help desk. I just want to send the message with the booking link in it. So I'm going to enter that only. Here I'm going to skip these fields also. In the template parameter, I'm going to enter the name of the lead. Here I have added a custom variable while creating this template, which is for the name of the lead. So I'm going to enter that in my template parameter field. It's written over here, enter the parameter values to be filled in a template message here. The parameter should be comma separated, example this. As I've added only one custom variable, I have mapped that. But if I had many variables, I should have entered comma and then separated those variables with the help of this comma and entered those values also. So here we are done with adding this template parameter also. These fields are not required one. I'm going to skip this. Now I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. So here I have received the response. Now let me quickly open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this message there or not. And here I have received this message. You can see that my name has been replaced with the custom variable which I have added. Hi IndiaMART, thanks for reaching out to us on IndiaMART. You can easily book a call or demo using this link. I'm going to open this link and you can see that we are able to open this link. So I have successfully sent this link with the help of this WhatsApp message with the help of AI Sensei. Now to summarize, we took IndiaMART as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received a new lead and as soon as we received the lead, we want to send the booking link with the help of WhatsApp. So we took AI Sensei, we created a template and sent the WhatsApp message after the execution of this workflow. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.